If you're standing in front of two roller coasters, which would you pick? The first one is a gentle, slow ride with a guaranteed fun time, but nothing too exciting. And the other one is the big, fast roller coaster that looks super thrilling, but also a bit scary. The first ride is low risk, low reward, and the second ride is high risk, high reward. Now, let's learn how this concept applies to money. Risk is the chance of something not going as planned, like investing in stocks or starting a new business. Higher risk can mean losing money or not getting what you want. Reward is the benefit you get if things go well, like making a profit from an investment or the success of a business. Now, higher reward can mean earning more money or achieving goals. Now, balancing risk and reward are so important. High risk can bring high rewards, like investing in new businesses, but it can also bring potential loss. But low risk, like saving money in a bank, earns a little interest, but it keeps your money safe. You see, risk can bring big rewards and exciting opportunities, but you can lose a lot of money or something valuable. And that's why understanding risk and reward helps you make smart money decisions. Think about what level of risk you're comfortable with. So, would you rather choose the first comfortable but boring roller coaster or the second scary but exciting roller coaster? See you next time.